How to create a shipment in myDHL Plus. Log in using your registered email address and password. You can either create a new shipment from your dashboard or click Ship, Create a Shipment from the toolbar. The shipper's details, or from address, will be pre-populated with your default address if you have one. You can open the address book to change the address if needed. And if the required address is not saved in your address book, you can add it here. Next, enter the details of the receiver, the to address. Again, you can open the address book to select a saved address or add a new one. Alternatively, you can add a new address here. Enter the contact name and company and then select the destination country. myDHL Plus uses an address lookup service. When you start entering the address, matching addresses will be suggested. Select the correct address from the list or keep typing to narrow down the search. If the address is not displayed, enter the details manually. Complete the remaining fields, noting that fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory, and when complete, the asterisks change to ticks. To add this address in your address book, save it as a new contact and give it a nickname. Click Next. Enter the shipment details. You will need to select whether your shipment is a document or a package. Use the guidance available to help you determine which category your shipment falls into if you're unsure. Enter a brief description of the shipment contents. You can also enter a shipment reference if needed and add more references here. If you wish to insure your shipment, tick the box and enter the value for insurance. Click Next. Now enter your package details. Select your packaging first and then enter the weight and dimensions. You can add additional packages here or copy them if they are all the same size and weight. If you frequently use the same packaging items, add them in My Shipment Settings, Packaging Settings, so they appear in the packaging list for future shipments. Click Next. Select the account number you wish to charge the shipment to here. Click Next. Select a shipping date or click here to select a later date. If you select shipping date to be decided later, the waybill will be valid for 3 months from creation. Next, select the service you require from the options available. If Saturday delivery is available, it will be offered here. If you selected shipping date to be decided later, you may find that end of day is the only available service. Select any optional services you require here. Additional charges may apply. If you wish to schedule a pickup, click Yes and select a pickup window using the sliders. Select the location in your building where the courier should collect from. If the location is not shown, you can enter it here. Click Next. You now have the option to create a return label. If you don't see this option, you can enable it in My Shipment Settings, Return Shipments. Click Next. Here's a quick summary of your shipment. If you're happy, click Accept and Continue. Print the waybill and the shipment receipt if needed. On the confirmation page, you will find a number of useful options. You can also start another shipment from here.